What's the meaning of axeman? Axeman. Axeman.
Axeman. Axeman. Axeman refers to a person, typically a man, who uses an axe either professionally or as a hobby. They may use an axe for tasks such as chopping wood, clearing brush, or felling trees. The image of the axeman has been portrayed in popular media and literature as a rugged, outdoorsy individual with great physical strength and skill. Axemen have played an important role in many cultures throughout history, particularly in areas where wood was a valuable resource for construction and heating. Today, axes are still used by professionals and enthusiasts alike for a variety of purposes.